Home Decor Hub. Welcome back to Home Decor Hub. In this video, we have gathered creative and budget-friendly dial lighting ideas that will transform any space into measuring oasis. Whether you are looking to enhance your home decor, create a cozy ambiance, and or add a touch of magic to your special occasions, these dial lighting ideas are perfect for you. Manson jar lanterns transform ordinary Manson jar into charming lanterns that radiate a warm and inviting glow. Add fairy lights, candles, or battery operated tea lights to create a magical ambiance. These lanterns are perfect for outdoor gathering or cozy night in. Flower pot pendant lights elevate your lighting games by repurposing flower pots into unique pendant lights. With a pendant lights kit and a little creativity, you can create stunning hanging lights that will add a contemporary and stylish touch to any room. Fairy light backdrops transform a plain wall into a dreamy backdrop with fairy lights, whether for a wedding, a party, or a cozy reading nook. Hanging fairy lights in various patterns and designs will instantly create a magical and enhancing atmosphere. Geometric paper lampshades. Personalize your lighting with eye-catching geometric paper lampshades. Cut out your desired pattern from colorful or patterned paper and attach them to lampshade frames. These dye lampshades are great for adding a pop of color and a unique touch of your living space. Vintage light bulb Cantrial. It create a stunning vintage inspiring Cantrial using Edison style light bulbs. Attach the bulbs to a Cantrial frame or an old wagon wheel for a rustic and electric look. These dye project will add a nostalgia charm to your dining area or living room.